So what are you making today, babe?
Oven fried, it's not really fried, oven crispy chicken legs, if that makes sense. Okay. Anyways, the skin is going to be crispy. But we got to marinate it first, so. I got our brain fart on that one. Turn on that cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up.
We're in a temperature switch relay.
You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back in.
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
We're gonna make this Tex Mexy. So gotta have some lemon. And I'm actually doing this for almost 4 pounds of chicken legs, which is enough for a crowd. But easily you can just have it or whatever. If you're just making it for your family, like if you only want 8, something like that. I like garlic, y'all. We're going garlic. Doing it. No. Sorry, y'all. Can't waste garlic. This stuff is expensive. Let's see. Now we're going to do some... It's not out, it's just really down there. Seems like a lot. It's because I have a lot of chicken. Like I said, you can have this. And it's because I want the chicken to be tender and have a good flavor of saltiness. Because we're going to put cumin. Let's see. Hopefully this is the same one. Oh, yeah. It's not a lot. Really isn't. Because when you marinate it, it all soaks into the skin and the actual meat. I'm gonna make this a little spicy.
Chili pepper.
Well, it's not really spicy. It's just a little bit more than I usually put in. But it's because it's on chicken, it's going to marinate. Now we're going to shake it up. This is like some kind of exercise program. I think it could be. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's marinated. I think it's got. Yeah, we're gonna let that marinate for about 30 minutes. I'm not gonna put it in the fridge. It's gonna sit out here. And then we're gonna put it in the oven. It's all marinated. Now we gotta put down some oil. Oil. Sound like a freaking Texan.
Gotta bring down some Earl.
Oil.
Earl.
Let's see. What I wanna do first. I think I'm only gonna do that. Let me see. Because they still have skin on them, so they're going to still have fat. You don't want to overdo it. I think that 1/4, yeah, that's good. I think that's good. Saving money, guys, saving money.
Oh, that looks really good.
Well, we're going to be. This is actually quite a bit. You can buy when you buy smaller packages. Just have my recipe. That's all you gotta do. Really.
Oh, the guys, that looks really good.
I'm just kind of putting them in the marinade down here. Oh no, that way. Ruined it. Ruined it.
Get y'all guys a higher view
Why? What are you doing?
so they can see the chicken going down.
Oh. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Oh, okay. So it's. Oh wow, they have really lowered the amount of chicken in this.
Shrinkflation, baby.
Okay, so I'm gonna move these. Cannot waste any ingredients. Can't waste food. Nope. Coming into bad times here, y'all. Good times, whatever.
Look at that. Look at that marinade go over the top of it. It looks so good.
I'm just scraping off the stuff off the sides. That's all I'm doing. I didn't want to pour it in because I really want to get a. In the middle of my video. Okay.
That's 400 degrees.
Because I really just wanted to get like a. I didn't want them to be really, really moist. I want them to fry up a little bit. Now getting into the. Not so much, okay. We're getting to the.
That poor last one's gonna be sad.
No, it won't, because I'm getting it all.
Okay, she's got it. Yeah, it's good.
Mm-hmm. Use all your ingredients. Don't sit there and waste them. I just don't like to pour it in there because then it's going to be all like...
On the bottom?
Yeah, it'll be on the bottom and kind of like... It will... I'm moving these over like, because I want them to fry up a little bit.
Little space.
Because they'll just like mix up with the oil. I'm not going to do good.
Be little crusties on the bottom.
Yeah. Well, this one's fat. What the hell? I'm trying to move the fat ass over here. I think I might have to move fat ass over here. Because, you know, he was taking up too much room over here. Sometimes you gotta move him. Okay. You're taking entirely too much video of me being obsessive. Going in.
Oh, guys, hearing them sizzle.
I didn't turn these over because I didn't think they needed to be. So I did not turn them over. You probably can, but I did it for 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. So I didn't turn them over because they marinated into all the. I didn't want to turn them over. I kind of do these like my what are those? Oh, the chicken leg quarters. So if you want more recipes from Daddy and Danielle, subscribe. I try to do them every week. Mostly I do them every week. I'm trying to use I'm trying to make them good, but on a cheaper budget. You know, budget friendly. Yeah. We're all there, right? Budget friendly.
Y'all stay tuned.
Okay, guys, this girl does all the work. I just sit behind the scenes and clean the shit and make the drinks.
And it's ready.
So
my husband put away everything.
It's
He's too clean. He literally cleans up all the stuff. They're supposed to be right there. 'Cause I put them there.